NCS presents
The telephone. Hello, this is Alexander Graham Bell. Do you hear me? Yes, I do. How are you, Alex? Was probably the first telephonic conversation that might have taken place between Alexander Graham Bell and his friend, miles away, in the year 1876. Bell must have uttered these words into a small transmitter. He must have been heard by his friend through the receiver. Besides a transmitter and a receiver, the telephone has a dial with numerals on it to help you dial any number that you want. The telephone was a great invention. The whole world received it, when it was invented, with a sense of surprise and admiration. The invention has made history and has brought people and places so near to each other. Alexander Graham Bell was originally a Scot. He was born in 1847 in Scotland and later went to America, where he invented the telephone. He died in 1922. The telephone then became very common. People just had to lift the receiver and start talking to anybody, anywhere, anytime. A telephone is a great facility indeed. It reduced distance and gave a great impetus to business as well. The principle on which the telephone is based is by no means unfamiliar to you. You must have played the game yourselves. Let's try it again. Take two small tin cans with their tops off. One for you and one for your partner. Make a little hole in the bottom of your can. Your voice will make the bottom of this can vibrate. If you hold the string firmly, you will feel the vibrations traveling along it. These vibrations make the bottom of the other can vibrate, too, and it makes sound similar to your voice. You can thus hear each other through the string. The real telephone work very much like this is tin can and string phone, but, of course, it does a lot better. The tin can and string phone sends sounds as vibration, while the real telephone sends sounds as electrical signals. These signals can travel long distance with the help of wires. These distances are much larger than those which the vibrations of the tin can and string telephone can cover. When you speak, you make sound waves, and these sound waves go into the transmitter of your telephone. The sound waves change into electrical signals, which go to the other receiver and are there changed again into sounds. That's how we can talk to each other on the telephone. A lot of work has continued to be done on the telephone since Bell's days. The invention of mobile has revolutionized the history of telephone. Now the era of the strings and the old receiver dials are the things of past. These have been replaced by smart and handy phone. These mobiles have internet, video, camera, voice recorder and games, etc. The mobile have revolutionized the world we are living in. Subscribe for more updates.